Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So interesting setup, GLD gold ETF. Just going to review this, something we'll be watching this next week. Long horizontal basing pattern. Let me jump to the weekly real quick. You'll spot something right away if you've been following us for any length of time. So dip in the rotation zone. Here's that horizontal pattern, retesting prior resistance, becoming support, rising rotation zone, coming up against the top of the horizontal channel. And a breakout would be a daily and a weekly one of our Bollinger Band setup buys. So just watch for that. This is again not trading advice or investment advice. It is to help people learn how to do the markets. So again, support becoming resistance. So your key resistance up here, if you get above there, that becomes key support. Stop. Good stop placement, if you were going to look into learning about this, would be below the bottom of the horizontal channel. And the targets we have for this 168.56, 172.17, but these are also areas where you could raise a trailing stop, especially since gold is in bullish mode right now. Just wanted to point that out to everyone, combining a bunch of the things that we talk about and teach with the weekly rotation zone. Let me jump back there so you see rising weekly rotation zone. And something similar to this where it broke out, drifted sideways. This was a little down, slight retracement channel instead of just a horizontal channel. Bottom of the rotation zone, rotating back up quickly. This price action was with the COVID and the quick sell-off, but then the quick bounce back up. Again, you can see the resistance getting above there, resistance becoming support, rising rotation zone, now looking like it's poised for another breakout. So we have for you on GLD. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.